I need y'all to listen up real quick because I wasn't even gonna do this video today. I told myself that I was gonna do it later. And as y'all know, I always say that later doesn't exist. Soon as you say you're gonna do something later, later never comes, which would have been true. So I had to stick to my own philosophy, and I just told myself, you know what, get up and make this video. So what I wanted to talk to y'all about was that all two of y'all, because I don't get much views, but for the 2 viewers that actually tune in, I'm going to start being way more in depth with my long form content. I'm gonna put more time and attention to that so y'all can get my real, critical observations of how pressure affects decision making from my life experiences. If this is a channel, if you're looking for a guru, somebody to teach you the steps to do when you're making a hard decision, this is not the channel for you. This is more of just my life experiences and observations so you can understand how it feels to make hard decisions when you're under pressure. But I'm gonna go way harder, and I'm gonna take a lot of time to make sure everything is perfect, from editing, from everything that I say going forward when it comes to this long form content. So I appreciate y'all. If you want to get down with me in my journey, subscribe to my channel and let's get it up, run it up. It's Manny, SharQ, Nubian Bread Network. Peace.